Now, Apple is developing the next generation of M3 series Apple Silicon chips, and the chips may be upcoming in 2023 and will be used updated TSMC chip manufacturing technology. So what do we know about the M3 chip for now, and what expect we'll get in the next gen? We will summarize in this video. First, the next gen M3 series will be bringing an updated 3nm manufacturing process. Current M series chips are using TSMC 5nm technology, but the updated 3nm will bring significant power and efficiency improvements. TSMC is already working on its 3nm chip design and is ready to commercialize. According to EE Times, the base M3 die size is expected to be around 135 to 150 mm². Apple is not only willing to pay between $16,000 to $17,000 per wafer, so TSMC aims to improve yield by around 5% every 3 months. According to TSMC's claims, the smaller chip design would deliver a significant leap in performance, roughly 50%, while consuming less power, roughly 30% compared to the current generation. The focus now TSMC is through this early RAM is to optimize yield and wafer cycle times to drive efficiencies, Simpson said. According to the information, future Apple Silicon chips built on 3nm process will feature up to 4 dies, which would support up to 40 compute cores. The original M1 has 8-core CPU and the M1 Pro and Pro Max have 10-core CPU. So this would be a notable increase in performance, and Apple is working on multiple M3 chips codenamed Ibiza, Lobos, and Palma. Mark Gurman says Apple is also testing M3 Pro prototype with 12 CPU cores, 18 GPU cores, and 36GB of RAM. But Apple will likely wait for TSMC to perfect M3A node before it starts trial production of those two variants. If Apple stick with this naming scheme, M3 chips could be an Apple entry-level machine, while higher-end Macs and could get M3 Pro and M3 Max chips with up to 40 compute cores. Rumors already suggested that there is an M3 iMac that being tested in Apple headquarters. About release date, rumors so far suggest that the M3 chips is going to be introduced in 2023 Max. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo says mass production on the chip will be begin the second half of 2023, so we could see M3 Max late in this year. In the February, DigiTimes reported that Apple ordered all of the TSMC 3nm supply. Apple's A17 Bionic chip, which will be used in the new iPhone 15 Pro, is rumored to be 3nm chip. And since Apple's iPhone cycle hits every fall quarter, Apple and TSMC are likely prioritizing the A17 Bionic manufacturing over the M3. Apple M3 could be the first chip in a personal computer to be made using 3nm manufacturing process. The move to 3nm increases the transistor density and is an improvement over the current enhanced 5nm process used with the M2. The M3 will offer more processing while having a lower power demand, which could lead to performance increases that are more than typical increase from year to year. So we just wait and see what happens and following the next video. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Fathani Asari. See you in another video.